Alright, so today we're gonna install a brake controller to a 2005 Ford F-150, and I ordered these separate. This is the wiring, and then obviously this is the unit, and we'll go from there. Trying to add this thing to the F-150 because it struggles to pull that Pitman trailer, and then this should give it brakes. The trailer has brakes, so it should help it because it pushes the truck right now. It's not, it's in the back, but it pushes it when you try to stop. So you ordered this separate, right? This is the wiring, and this is a Lariat edition. So it does have, you see that right there? It should just plug right in. It's right behind the OBD2. So you just plug it in back here. So on this one, you see how it has the 3 pins on the left side? This one too, look. Just follow that, see? So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in right here. There we go, it's a click. And then this should plug in. See, look, 4, and then this one 2005, so it should be equipped, and then we're just gonna put it like somewhere like right here, and it should be able to. That's it. We'll see right now. Yeah, look. So I mounted it right here. I found like a little mount. I tried tying it. This one seems tight, but this one for some reason not tying. I think. So what I think I'm gonna do is just like put like a little piece of foam right here. You want it to be level. I read you want it to be level because it reads if it's like going like this, and I guess it'll adjust like if you're going uphill. So I think that's why you kind of want it to move. But I don't think you want this much play. I'm not a professional, but from what I read online. So I'll probably put like one of those sticky foams, stick a little bit right here. That way, if I need to access the button, so I can still move it, but for the most part, it'll be like sturdy and still. And then this is like just to break the trailer, I guess. It says nothing connected, but we'll connect the trailer later and see what's up.